told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to be making this lovely sleeve. So we start by putting our 10 inches. So guys, before I forget, please like and share this video. Please watch to the end so that I could get watch hours, please. And I'm gonna mark 10 over here. So this is what I'll be using. I like when I do this sleeve, I should have like, so this one is going to be 9. I'm gonna put it 9. So I'm gonna measure 4 inches downward. So I'm gonna put this 4 inches again. So I'm gonna put 9 here again. I'm gonna connect the 9 together. So this is, for this one I'm gonna mark 4 inches here. So I'll first divide the arm measurement by 2, which is 5. So I'm gonna mark the 5 over here. So I'll come down by the 5 by 4 or 3. I'll come down by 3. Then I'm just gonna slowly curve it. So if you can see now, I'll have like 11 inches, which is enough for me. 11 plus 11 is 22, plus sewing allowance is 22. I realized if I should use 10, it's going to be too much. You can add half an inch allowance. So I'm gonna cut it off. So I'm just gonna press it. Then I'll go over to my sewing machine. I'm gonna sew it like this. So I'm gonna aim the bottom of the sleeve, and I'll come back and show you the next step. So guys, I just finished aiming the sleeve. Just aim it with the sewing machine. I'm going to take 2 inches over here and I'll make it a straight line. This is where I'm gonna be putting my, this is my 2 inches. So guys, I'm just going to measure 2 inches over here. Then I'm gonna take on 1.5 inches, 1.5 inches, and I'm going to take 1.5 inches again. So over here I'm gonna mark 1 inches. So I'm gonna take 1 inch straight up again. This is just for me to be able to sew a straight line. You can do without this 1 inch. I'm just gonna mark it. So guys, I'm gonna aim this place. So this is my 1 inches here over here. So I'm gonna aim this place. So now I'm just gonna, then I'm gonna place it over like this. So guys, this is the ironing, and there's still the middle part. There's the middle part on the ironing, the way I place it. So I take the middle part, I'm gonna put it at the middle part. So this is one of the middle parts. So I'm gonna place my over it. So this is it. So I'm gonna sew like this. So guys, I'm gonna sew it like this. This is the 1 inches I place. I'm still gonna cut it and trim it. So I'm gonna sew it now. Obviously this is the, so guys, I forgot to mention, this is the right part, this is the wrong part. I'm placing the wrong part of this first, then I'm turning it over to the right part. But first I'm gonna trim this. I'm gonna use a lighter to trim it. Don't burn your fabric, this is how I will just finish sewing. So I'm gonna put this side. Making a strap, so I'm just gonna cut it. So I will need both for the both of them. So let me measure it. This side is over 20 inches. I made 20 inches for the both of them. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna knot the hole here. You can do it however you want. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna push it in. So I'm just gonna join it together. So guys, I'm just gonna join it together. So I'm just gonna sew it over. So I'm done attaching it. So I'm gonna show it to you. So I'm gonna make it seam. Then I'm gonna attach it. So guys, I'm done. If I going to look. So I'm gonna attach it to the sleeve now. So guys, this sleeve is a gather sleeve. Make sure you gather it around the shoulder measurement, like 3 inches between the shoulder measurement. Pinning the sleeve. So I'm going to sew it. So I open the seam, right? You need to open the seam, right? So I'm just gonna sew it around. So guys, I'm done sewing the sleeve. So I'm just gonna take out the pins. I'm gonna quickly take out the pins. So this is the sleeve right here. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and make sure you turn on the notification bell. Please enjoy.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose, what do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need.